I was just with friends last night and they were asking me about my Amazon business, and they said, how long does it take? And Hey guys, Adam here. I just wanted to give you a quick word of encouragement this morning. A lot of times when people are new to Amazon, they get depressed really easily because Amazon's not a quick, easy business. It's not like you finish the webinar or finish the course, go get a product and start making money next month. It can take, several months of development. I was just with friends last night and they were asking me about my Amazon business, and they said, how long does it take? And I stepped them through a new brand that I have just launched with my brother. We're launching 6 products in that brand, and really it's been 6 months and the products are shipping today actually out of China. But it took us 6 months from the time we talked about it together over a coffee to developing a brand name, getting the logo designed, sourcing those products, getting samples over from China, choosing the samples, negotiating with the supplier, getting our first order in. We ordered about 3,000 units of product, which we're going to be selling. And by the time that all came over and they're shipping today, it's about 6 months to today, and they're leaving China. So they won't be for sale on Amazon for maybe another 2 months now. So it'll be 8 months till the start line. Okay, and then from that 8-month start line, we then have another month of getting reviews on those products, and then we'll start sort of doing some Amazon advertising. We'll start to see the products ranking. So it'll be really not until the end of the first year that we start to see some return on that product or that range of 6 products. And it won't be until the following year, year 2, that we actually start to make some good, reliable income out of that little suite of products. Now, we've done our numbers, and we believe on those 6 products, we'll probably average between $100 and $200 a day in sales. So if you do the math on that and you work it out, essentially if they're doing $150 a day in sales, it's about $900 a day in sales at a margin of, say, about 40%. So when you really stop and think about that, let's say you're just netting $500 a day out of that small suite of products that we managed to put together for around $10,000 or $12,000. That's an amazing, amazing result. It's like $3,500 a week, US dollars a week, passively or almost passively coming in after that first year of work, which is phenomenal. And we will then reinvest those profits, expand from 6 to 10 products, and then from 10 to 20 products. And over the course of 2, 3, 4 years, we'll have a nice developed brand. All those products are in a similar niche. And a lot of the work is done in that first year, which was brand development, building relationships with the suppliers and all the other stuff. So keep your eye on the prize, guys. I know when you first start, you're more than likely going to start off with one little widget like a mouse pad or something like that, and it can seem a long road. But once you get your head of steam up, once you know what you're doing and you know how to get your photos made, you know how to deal with the Chinese, and you know how to import, it just becomes fun. So stick around until the fun part. Keep going. Don't be a quitter, because most people quit, and that's great news for the rest of us, because the rest of us love quitters, right? We love the fact that you're going to get excited and do nothing. Okay, so plug away, stick with simple numbers, $100 a day times 5 products or 10 products or 20 products over time. Just keep focused on the mathematics. That's all it is. So have an awesome day out there, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.